I just look, here's the thing. First of all, thank you everyone. This day, as always, if you watch this and don't change your practice, then that's a problem, because there's an incredible amount of new information that was presented. Our practice is changing so rapidly that we have to have these courses, and it has to be done internationally. And that's exactly what happened. I would love people to leave their comments about if they would change what we talk about, if they would change the format, make it shorter, whatever you think we need to do, let us know for the future. This will all be released in segments throughout the course of the year. I really want to thank everyone for working so hard behind the scenes, the GlobalCast team and Rock the House. Thank you for putting this on. And to the sponsoring institutions, to the faculty, thank you all for spending all day doing this. Now, next year, we're hopefully going to be back to in person. Here's how this works. It's going to be at my house. We're going to have fun activities and food and events, and then we'll actually have to work for a little bit and actually do the live event. But hopefully,
sure, that's what you
everyone
told us
in
this
person.
year.
What's that?
I said, sure, that's what you told us this year.
This is what I told you this year, and you even had a hotel room, and I made you cancel.
I know.
But anyways, thank you, everybody. You can get the certificate. I put the link for the certificate in the chat. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you, everyone, and have a great day.
Thanks for having us, Todd.
Great job, Todd.
Good job.
Great, Todd.
Good job. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Todd. Thanks, Todd.